As the first person our customers interact with, my role is to help guide them to one of our dedicated team members. To me, BJB is family and respect. I am blessed to have a job that I want to come to every day. So refreshing to work for a family-owned business. I feel like there's a lot of respect. I feel like everybody's always willing to give a helping hand when needed.
I wake up every morning and I want to come to work. Everybody is happy here. I've not seen a frown, you know what I mean? So when I come to work, I could be, have some personal issues, but they're gone, This is my safe haven. I love this place and I love coming to work at BJB.
What makes BJB special is the experience of its long-time employees and the dedication that we all have to produce a good quality material.
I love it here. I think most people that work here can say that because we are such a family-oriented environment. There is so much longevity. And I've never had the privilege of being in the type of environment where everybody was on board for the same reason. And that is, I think, the most special thing about BJB.
Yeah, I remember when I got here, I feel there's a spirit in it, like told myself, wow, this company is amazing. Like people don't know you, treat you like something special,
I'm able to kind of work one-on-one with people. I get calls daily on what's the best material for this or how do I do that. And it's really nice to be able to help them navigate the materials and applications.
I enjoy coming to work. It's great because it makes sure that the work that goes out is good quality. We've worked together as a group, make the best quality that we can, and I enjoy coming to work.
From aerospace and automotive to medical training and even film and television, our materials are used in a huge variety of industries all across the globe. I enjoy the people, the challenges, learning so many new things, and also the satisfaction of working for a company that genuinely wants to do the right thing for its customers. Friends and family are always telling me how much fun my job looks, and they're right. When you enjoy your job and you take pride in it and you respect the people you work with, it makes coming to work really enjoyable.
There's a lot of things that are special about BJB. The people, I can tell you that. The people, they're all friendly.
I see it here in BJB, everything is in detailed,
We treat it really like a family, and as a result, I think everybody does their best to produce the best quality material that we can.
At the end of the day, when I go home, I know that I helped people, and it's just a really good feeling.
Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity to be part of something bigger than ourselves, because it makes us all happier and healthier as employees.
We have regular customers that know us, that come into the office to visit us. It's so, makes you feel like you're making a difference. I like that.